As time goes by, the appearance of not only humans and animals, but also the plants we see changes. So let's discuss the concept of evolution. What is evolution? Evolution is the process of change and development of organisms over time. It occurs through changes in the genetic makeup of populations over many generations, leading to the emergence of new traits, characteristics, and species. The word natural selection, adaptation, and speciation are important concepts in understanding evolution. For example, this image shows the evolutions in humans, suggesting that ancient humans were a type of ape because of our similarities. It also known shows the evolution of apes as they change over time due to evolution. Where does the word evolution come from? The word evolution comes from the Latin evolutio, meaning unfolding or development. It was used to describe the process of change and development of organisms over time. Nowadays, the term evolution is used in various disciplines such as biology, paleontology, and natural science to describe these changes. But who contributed to our understanding of evolution? Charles Darwin is known as one of the primary proponents and explainers of the theory of evolution through his book On the Origin of Species, published in 1859. In his work, Darwin explained the concept of natural selection, which states that organisms with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and pass on their genes to the next generation. His observations from his travels, such as in the Galapagos Islands, provided evidence to support his theory. Darwin's contribution paved the way for a deeper understanding of evolution and became the foundation of modern biology. What about Alfred Russell's contribution? Russell Wallace's significant contribution to the theory of evolution is his appreciation of the concept of natural selection. Among studies were observations of various species in tropical regions such as the Malay Archipelago in 1858. Wallace sent his concept of natural selection to Charles Darwin, prompting the latter to publish his book On the Origin of Species. Although Darwin is better known for his contribution to evolution, Wallace's role in advancing the theory of natural selection should not be forgotten. Studying evolution is important in many ways. First, it provides us with a deeper understanding of the history of life on Earth and how organisms have changed and developed over millions of years. It also provides evidence for concepts such as the interconnectedness of all life and the process of natural selection. Furthermore, studying evolution has wide-ranging application in medicine, agriculture, and conservation, helping us understand and address human health, food production, and environmental conservation issues.